I just survived a 14-hour flight, and somehow I feel great. But trust me, it wasn't always this way. Between the high cost of the ticket and the dread of landing exhausted, cranky, and sore, long flights used to be my nightmare. I tried all the gadgets, but the real game changers were figuring out how to make the experience better and more affordable. That's why before we even get into making your flight comfortable, I have to mention the app that saves me money on every trip, the Cheap Flights app. It helps you find and book the cheapest flights, hotels, and even car rentals, so you can save your money for the actual vacation. I've put the link in the description for you. Getting a great deal on your ticket is the first win. Now, let's talk about the second. Making that economy seat feel like you've won the travel lottery. Today, I'm sharing the tips that will let you step off the plane feeling refreshed and ready to go. So, let's get into the hacks that will genuinely change how you fly. Your seat is everything on a long flight. Aisle seats offer the freedom to stretch, while window seats are great for leaning against the wall to sleep. But here's the real pro move. On a less crowded flight, keep an eye out for an empty row. As soon as the seatbelt sign is off, ask the cabin crew if you can move. If you get the green light, you've got yourself the holy grail of economy travel, the poor man's lie flat bed. Did you know most aisle seat armrests have a secret button? It's a small lever right under the armrest near the hinge. Its purpose is for accessibility, but you can press it to swing the armrest up, giving you a surprising amount of extra space to get in and out. It's a game changer. To stop restless legs and an aching lower back, a foot hammock is a lifesaver. It hangs from the tray table, letting you elevate your feet to improve circulation. A quick heads up, many airlines, including United, Qantas, and Delta, have started banning them for safety reasons, so it's essential to check your airline's policy before you fly. Airline food is a gamble. Bringing your own strategic snacks like granola bars or trail mix can make a huge difference. It saves you from a questionable meal and helps keep your digestion on track when you're sitting for so long. Quality sleep is the ultimate survival tool. Noise-canceling headphones or simple earplugs are non-negotiable. An eye mask is essential for creating darkness. Here's a little ritual that helps. Brush your teeth before you try to sleep. It's a small thing, but it signals to your brain that it's time to rest. This sounds obvious, but so many people get it wrong. Ditch the jeans for loose-fitting pants or leggings. The key is layering. Cabin temperatures are famously unpredictable. So wear a t-shirt, a sweater, and bring a scarf that can double as a blanket. The air in an airplane cabin is incredibly dry, which is why you feel so drained. Drink water consistently. Bring a reusable bottle and ask the flight attendants to refill it. Try to go easy on the caffeine and alcohol, as both will dehydrate you even more. Sitting for hours can increase the risk of blood clots. Make it a point to get up, walk the aisles, and do some simple stretches every hour. Even just flexing your ankles and rolling your feet while seated can help. Your body will thank you when you land. Never assume the in-flight entertainment will work. Download your favorite shows, movies, and podcasts before you leave home. It's also smart to bring a physical book as a no-fail backup. And don't forget a portable battery pack. You can't always count on a working power outlet. The moment you get to your seat, get organized. Take out everything you'll need. Your water bottle, headphones, snacks, lip balm, and arrange it in the seat back pocket. This keeps your little space tidy and stress-free. You can start adjusting to your new time zone while still in the air. The Time Shifter app gives personalized advice on when to sleep and when to seek light, based on sleep and circadian neuroscience. Generally, if you're flying east, try to sleep earlier. If you're flying west, do your best to stay awake longer. Here's a final pro tip. Don't waste that small airline pillow on your neck. Instead, place it behind your lower back for lumbar support. It makes a world of difference in preventing back pain and helps you sit comfortably for hours. With these hacks in your back pocket, you can officially stop dreading long-haul flights and start looking forward to arriving rested and ready for adventure. Now, I want to hear from you. What's the one travel hack you absolutely swear by? Drop it in the comments below. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe for more travel tips. Thanks for watching and happy travels.